It's good to have you back once again to this interesting quick update about Toshi. As you can see right here, we are currently experiencing the extreme fear index of around 11% as of the time of making this video, according to the crypto market fear and greed index, which indicates a bearish momentum in the overall crypto market. A lot of traders are now panic selling their asset, guys, and if you're to sell right now, you'll be selling at a loss, guys. So instead of you selling at a loss, hold on tight, exercise patience as we are here to experience the full altcoin season. To track our progress towards the full altcoin season, we're going to be using the BTC dominance, of which you can see right here that just for the time of making this video, we are currently experiencing the dominance of around 59%, of which you can see right here. Increase from here upward, we're going massively bearish in the overall crypto market, which will also give us good entering opportunities into any project of our choice. But if it fails to do so and happens to get a correction below to around 40 to 30, we are going to be going massively bullish in the overall crypto market. Altcoins and meme coins is going to explode massively, and that will be the right time for we to start taking profit to exit the market. Now, the way we are entering this full altcoins is just going to take a lot of unprepared people unaware, more especially those who have already panicked selling their asset right now at a loss, guys. Now, the reason why I said it's going to take us unaware is because if you have to pay attention to the previous chart of the BTC dominance as of 2017, you notice that we had this dominance correction right here. After that, it triggers the full altcoin season. And also for the chart of 2021, we also have that dominance correction right here, which after that we experience the full altcoin season. And looking at the chart of 2025 right now, you notice that we also have that same gradual correction, but it ended up at the zone of around 56% before it bounced to the upside to around the zone of 63%. This was due to the manipulations which we are having in the overall crypto market this period, and as well a lot of things which are currently happening in the overall crypto markets, and that is why we weren't able to get a further correction to the downside. However, if you have to look closely, you notice that we are now back at the current zone of 59%. The past 24 hours, over $43,000 has been liquidated from this project. Now, the highest liquidation amount is from the long position, which is over $36,000, while that of short position is over $7,000, guys, which means that sellers are currently in control of the market right now as we speak. Looking at Toshi liquidation heat map real quick in the last 24 hours, you notice that these are areas of high liquidity where price is likely to react when it gets there. So look closely, you notice areas of heavy liquidation like the zone of 0.00040, of which you can see right here, and also the zone of 0.00038 for the price of Toshi, and lastly the zone of 0.00036 for the price of Toshi, of which you can see right here. Now, that moment you are getting a bounce from here to the upside to around the zone of 0.00040 for the price of Toshi, traders that are in short position are likely to get liquidated. Further pullback from this current zone down to around the zone of 0.00036 is going to liquidate traders who are in long position for this project. Now, paying attention to the chart of Toshi meme coin on the daily time frame, you notice that after we consolidated in between these map out liquidation price point areas of around the zone of 0.00056 and the zone of 0.00048 for the price of the asset, we finally broke below that zone. We are now trading below this previous resistance area of around the zone of 0.00041 for the price of Toshi, of which you can see right here. The RSI indicator shows that we are currently at around the zone of 27%, indicating a bearish momentum for the price of the asset, that we are currently in the oversold zone for the price of the asset, of which some traders will also seize the opportunities to start positioning themselves into this project from here. So looking at the MACD indicator for Toshi, you notice that the MACD line is currently crossed below the signal line, indicating that we might even expect a further drop of price from the current zone which we are currently at right now. We have this bearish consolidation area. A bounce from here is likely to take out that area and flipped it into a support, and that moment that is being flipped into a support, we will have to head up to take out the zone of 0.00068 for the price of Toshi. After that, we'll get rejected to retest that zone once more before a massive bounce reverse out to the upside for Toshi meme coin. But however, if it fails to do so, then we should expect a further correction, a further pullback from this current zone right here, which will bring us to the zone of 0.00030 for the price of Toshi. And if it fails to hold that zone, then we should expect a further pullback, which will bring us to the zone of 0.000 0.21 for the price of Toshi. Guys, Toshi is likely to meet up with expectation. Now, as for those of you who are already panic selling your asset, that is not a good idea at all. Guys, hold on tight, exercise patience, and your patience is going to be in due time. The realistic price prediction for Toshi this coming full altcoin season is 8 cents. What's your take about Toshi for the price prediction? Please drop it in the comment section below, and if you're already holding the project, please feel free to share your experience as well holding it in the comment section below. And that'll be all for now, guys.